How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Carbine Series versus our dual Carbine Series off-road/work light bars. So first up here on our Carbine Series, these will be a single row of LEDs, and they have a more thin profile compared to our dual row LED dual carbine light bars here. Now we offer our Carbine Series in our 10-inch, 20-inch, and 40-inch sizes here, and we have floodlight and hybrid optics available. And on your Carbine Series, these will have 3,780 lumens to 17,640 lumens on our largest model here. Now for example here, I brought our Carbine 20-inch in a hybrid optics, so you'll notice that you have floodlight on the outside, and then you have your more focused spotlight beam on the inside of your light bar. And then behind that one, I brought our Carbine 40-inch in a floodlight optics, where you'll notice that your LEDs will immediately spread out that light since this is a floodlight optics. Now moving over here to our dual Carbine Series, we offer these light bars in our 7-inch, 13-inch, 20-inch, 30-inch, and 50-inch models in floodlight or hybrid optics. And these units will range from 2,280 lumens to 18,240 lumens on our largest model. Now for example here, I went ahead and hooked up our Carbine 30-inch, which is a hybrid optics, and again you'll notice that you have floodlight on the outsides here with your more focused spotlight beam on the inside of your light bar. And then finally I have our dual Carbine 50-inch here, which I brought in a floodlight optics, and again same concept applies, where your LEDs will immediately spread out and give you that light spread with the full floodlight optics. And then also on our dual Carbine Series, you will also see optional lens covers as well. And these will simply pop onto your light bar if you would like to change the color of your LEDs. And we do have these available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And then we also have our dark tint cover as well. So you'll see from our Carbine Series to our dual Carbine Series available in floodlight or hybrid optics, we have off-road and work light bars for any application. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.